because for the occasion a festival na uhu noma ekoso ewo Ashanti region kruma. I mean Dr. Frank Amoakohene school for wake kan o mabum been visual arts or more draw near dear bra Facebook be dear Jeff give me the previous year of the Akokoa interchange said the net here canino any a school for no ekupie mu hono a omu draw aye design ha say the net here bra Facebook in 104.5 this was the state of the Akokoa interchange na ehono chese enyefe manfo di posters ni ade akotenta ho ni chese uduru okra no a onka se obi be say welcome to Ghana say ya na ye but was the face of the interchange using students students no said ye esi ema omo ani je no chese omo hu so omo artwork na de ema mani je ne se o use students na wan kofa o professionals o mawie dada na o ye obi beji sika akoto ne botum ni ade but we ye school fu a o mu nsu timi ye bibi se ye hye o mu nkran onam kro de ne such we me na me draw ye we me na me draw ma kwada ne motivation and come and see something a school fu ni nyina wo hwe se de na o mu ye ni jemuli ye kama pa
What's your school? I don't know school. And I want to see
Nti adanguma susunya high school mo so portion omunya ya no mo ye painting nti wo cheche ma school fo no obi anti school bia wo be adwosofo so by ye friend say dwabin fo no mo chese schools no bebrebe na omo che artworks no visual art students no ne ade omo che omo artwork
no bi amram sinya ma bi am duai asu di ema ade
Jeff, check what's up for me.
I'm going to go. Now he's already on with you, man. I lie. Can't down. I'm going to be a senior, I don't do I. I told you,
And you be painting very nice and ama unam Akokoa hono interchange sisi anwa uhu asante my colors the drawings that is I mean culture your tradition your mamre Ghana month this really depicts it echere me yehu se ye wo Ghana ya asante my Dr. Frank Amoakohene this year festival this particular step I will take there. I applaud you for that. Yes. Why are there?